So hey you guys, I've come here, I made, first of all, let me show you the end results of my dominoes that I was making. Again, I'm making dominoes for my son and his two friends, or three friends rather, and they are clear and see-through. So, and I was wondering, should I put something on the back of these and seal it? Reason why I say that is because it's because of the, when you're playing the game, you're going to probably, on some of it, you're going to see the dots, right? And the other player cannot or should not see, your hand or whatever. So I'm thinking about putting something on the back or whatever. I'm not sure what I'm going to put on the back just yet, but I'm going to do it. So here is the lovely tray that you don't see no one on YouTube actually making, but at least they don't have a, let me see something because my camera is out of focus here. Okay. They don't see, or they don't have it, or rather they got the mold for it, but I never saw this until I was actually looking for the case molds, which they have not came in the mail just yet. So I'm thinking, to me, I could probably do it on this side, or I could do it on this side. And I'm not sure which side I should do. I want to do it on this side, you guys, and fill it up. But that's a lot of resin. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of resin. Like, I had brought this, just, I don't know why my camera is like off focus. Maybe if okay. So I brought this the other day. I ordered from Amazon. It came in, and this one container, it was $16, and yeah, it used up all of this. You see, I have to wash my stuff because I made accidentally poured too much of paint in it. And like I said in my other video, if you go watch when I was making these, that this was my first time ever doing this, and I'm really afraid of resin. Not necessarily the resin for UV. I'm not afraid of UV resin. I'm afraid of the one that you have to mix. But yeah, this here, it filled up the whole thing, and I have literally nothing in here at all. So luckily I had this here, which is just regular UV resin, and this is the one that a lot of people don't like, because if you don't cure it right, it's sticky. It has a sticky what is it, if you don't cure like it should, it has a it's sticky to the touch. That's what I'm trying to say. It's sticky to the touch. But I brought a whole thing of this, and I just be refilling this bottle with it. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do, you guys, but I think I know I'm going to do this here sometime this week. Yeah, and I'm just going to have to either invest and the big old bottles of resin, and pray that that will help. That will help. If I use this side, I could probably make it with using the UV. But if I do this side, I'm not going to make it using the UV. That is a lot. And then trying to come up above this middle part too. Oh, no, no, no. Yay, yay, yay. What is I to do? What is God going to do? I don't know. Stay tuned. So, hey you guys, I'm here and I am starting, well, I started on the holders, the racks for the dominoes. And as you see, I have 3 lamps going on here because that's a lot of UV resin in this holder, and it is full to the top. And this is the resin that I'm using. Is regular UV resin, and Heidi and Joe Resin Craft. So this is normally I think they will use this for like jewelry. So I got it all just going on here. Let's see what's going on under there. Now I can tell you right now that top is trying to harden. Some places has hardened on the top, but it is not completely hardened at the bottom, because I have a little hole over here that's kind of leaking through. So when I finish this and once it cure, I will have to like sand it down and everything and see what's going on with it and make sure there's no holes in it. So yeah, I'm excited about this. Please subscribe. Go ahead, subscribe.